Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. I hope you're doing really well. I hope you're coping under this quarantine that we are placed in. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial on color picking. So I'm going to tell you what the problem used to be, how I taught my accelerator students to solve the problem, but how you can now solve the problem with a very new and exciting feature inside of Canva. So I can't wait to show you this video. I know you're going to like it, so make sure to like and comment on the video. And if you're not subscribed already, then be sure to do that. So without any further ado, this little tutorial that I'm going to show you applies to both book covers, which is what I was making right here, and also applies to obviously everything inside your books if you're using some colors inside of them, okay? But mostly it's going to be useful for your low content book covers. So you can see that this color here doesn't quite match this color here. And maybe if I was to use the colors that were offered under here that you would normally find in Canva, it's going to be pretty hard to match this exact color here. So what I was teaching my accelerator students to do in one of the videos on the course was to use Zillah, which is a Google Chrome extension, and it's this one right here. So you may have seen that on the top of all my videos in the past, but you may have wondered what it was, and if you're not in the accelerator course, you wouldn't have actually known what it was or how to use it. Okay, so basically what I would have done is I just click this, pick color from page, and then if I hover over here long enough, it's gonna find me a nice gold like this, and then I can do this. I copy and paste the color code in there, and it finds me one of the colors at least in there. Maybe I will try that again to try and get the darker little gold. There we go, that looks good. Then I would copy and paste this color code, and there you go, it's a little bit better. But now there is an even better solution with Canva. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So once you have some images on your cover or on your interior or whatever that may be, what you need to do is just come to the text, go to color, and you can see you've got a brand new feature. So you've got photo colors, and you also have document colors as well. So this one here is referring to this one. This one is obviously referring to this one. You get what I mean. But if you now go on this and press see all, it's going to show all the different images that you've got. These images, by the way, are from Creative Fabrica. So if you don't have a Creative Fabrica subscription, I will leave a link down in the comments, as it's an amazing place to get images for your low and no content books. So as I say, if I wanted to make this color the same as this star, well, I can just press this, and this is going to take some of the colors out of here, and it's going to get the exact color that matches. So I could choose this one, this one, this one. This one isn't really accurate, and neither is this one. So I would probably choose this one, and now you can see that's a lot better than what we had initially. So if I just go like this, we will find the one we had initially. It was that orangey one that just didn't really match. So if you compare that to the end result we've got now, which is this one, that's a lot better, and it just looks so much more aesthetically pleasing. And you might think that it's a really small change, but it just makes things so much easier. So as I say, we did used to use Zillah, but let's say this one, if I wanted to make this the same color as the star, I just type in pink, and you can see there's not really any that match too well. It just kind of looks a bit ugly when they're not perfectly matched. So what I would have done, as I say, just to reiterate, is I would have done this, and because it's one nice block color, that's really easy to do with Zillah, and there you go, we have the exact color. But now it's even easier. You don't need the Chrome extension. You would just go on see all, and then you would press that, and you can see we've got the exact same color, we've got the exact same end result. And just to make things look really nice, I'm going to do this one as well, because it's only going to take a second. So you can see it's offering me this color. Obviously this one here is this one inside, and it's also offering me this color. So if I go with that one, let's see how it looks. Okay, that looks awesome. So that's just two really easy ways. Obviously this was only for the accelerator students. I did only tell them about this. But now that you got this feature on Canva, everyone can know, I guess. So hopefully that's been a useful video, a useful tutorial on color picking. So just keep in mind when you're making your covers and any interiors that you're making, no matter what type of books you are making, just make sure that your colors match up as in where you want them to be. And this is going to be a really easy way to do that. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Please hit like, comment on the video if you've made it to the end, comment the planet emoji. It won't look like this because this image is from Creative Fabrica, but just find a little planet emoji, and that way I'll know you've got to the end. It'll keep motivating me to make these videos. I've been feeling a little bit demotivated to keep making the videos because I was kind of running out of ideas on what to make. I feel like I've already covered everything for low and no content books, but if you can throw some ideas down in the comments as well, that'll be absolutely awesome. So I'll see you in the next video, which will be on Monday, assuming I have an idea for a video. So I'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.